Hello everyone. If you would like to create an animated video like this, using Canva, we will build this animation just in a few minutes. So let's start it. Okay, watch video until the end so you will learn how to create this type of animated videos. So let's get started. So for this animation, first of all, we will open Canva website. After opening it, press create a design, and here we will search YouTube video. So after searching it, we will press YouTube video. After opening it, now let's select here, come here to the element and the left sidebar. In the there I will search for road. Okay, after searching for road, if you are using free version, so you have the free version also, so select the free version. I will select this one, this road. Okay, let's decrease the size of this, and now let's control C, control V it, and I will bring it to the left sidebar, to the left side, and let's decrease the size of it like this, and also this one, bring it here, and control C, control V, move it to the left side. Okay, like this. Okay, it should be like this. And finally, just come here and we will search here for garden with house. Okay, search it in the graphics. You have free version for this one also. So let's select a house. Okay, just come here and I will select a shape. Just wait, which one I should select? Or we can search for garden with house. Yeah, that is okay, that is okay. Go back, just we will select my shape. Okay, you can find it, just search for that. I will select this one. Let's bring it here and increase the size of this one, and also let's select this one. Let's decrease the size, but it don't looks like very well. It also, let's bring it. Okay, this one is okay. Let's bring it here. It is okay. Okay, yeah, that is. So now it is okay. Let's take another shape, for example this one. Okay, it looks like this. So for example, this is our shape that we have created. Okay, you can search and find a best design for your animation. Okay, so after that, let's select all these elements and right click on this. After right click, let's download this selection area. Okay, so download it as png. Okay, so download it. So that has downloaded. Okay, now let's remove these shapes and we will upload that the one which we have downloaded right now. Okay, let's come here to the download and upload it. After uploading, select this one, just bring it down and select it and move it to the left side. Okay, like this. So that is okay, and this until this area. Okay, so after selecting that, now let's we will select here, come here to the elements, and here we will search for car running, for example. Okay, and come here to the graphics, and in the graphics we will select a car. Okay, for example this one. Okay, let's select this one and bring it here, and here we will search for a boy walking, and let's now find an animation or search for man walking. Okay, search it, and here we will find let's select this one. Okay, on the bicycle one. Okay, so let's flip it, just select the flip and flip it to the left sidebar and make it like this, bring it here. See, that is okay. Okay, the boy is walking on bicycle, And now let's select fly bird flying or fly bird. Okay, just select one of them. Let's select the first one, bring it here, and let's now search person. In the graphics area, select this one and bring it here. Okay, just bring it here. Now let's add animation. Okay, so to add the animation, for that select this area that we have downloaded and then uploaded. Okay, press the animate button, then create an animation. Okay, so after that, now we will drag it to the left side, our image. Okay, so for that, just drag it, okay, to the left side like this. Okay, so let's check it. Okay, but I have dragged it too much, so let's delete the path. I will add again, okay, from scratch. Let's now drag it to the left side, this much. Okay, so let's make it smooth, and the speed, let's decrease the speed like this much. Okay, so now it looks like this. Let's start it again. See, it looks like this. Okay, yeah, this is our image. Okay, let's decrease it the size for a second, so that is okay. Okay, so we have done it. So this was, let's play it now at the end. Okay, so how it looks like, it looks like this. Okay, this is our animated video that we has created right now. Okay, so it was all about this animated video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.